How to customize quick settings panel on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. If you want to customize quick settings panel, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this pen icon. After click on this pen icon, if you want to customize quick settings panel, click on this edit icon. So if you want to remove battery protection, click on this minus icon. After click on this minus icon, features is remove. If you want to add features, so add microphone from here. After add features, click on done. Again click on done, you will see. After customize quick settings panel, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.